Welcome to the channel. Trader Jan speaking. I'm doing the review of the trading day of the 8th of December. First, let's jump into our locations, which we defined the day before, how much they actually helped us during trading. For me, not so much because I'm more scalping and the 8th of December was a shitty day anyway. For me from a trading perspective. So let's see. We opened the markets around here, and then that location didn't help at all, except for this bounce back. But yeah, I don't know what happened here. Let's see if we can see anything on the higher time frame. Let's make a mark here. We should have defined our location somewhere here. So, and then market went down, 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 down. Not too bad of locations here. Bounce in between those two locations, and then do that one here and back to that location again. So not too bad. This one here was definitely a miss as well. So further on the day, not too bad, but at the beginning of the day, definitely miss. Now here, God knows why I defined those locations here and not here at the bottom, and then here another one, because there was clearly a higher volume node here at towards the end of the trading day that I could have foreseen here. So not extremely precise on that day. Let's review a little bit why we ended up there. Let's open the daily chart. And what do we see when we go a little bit more left? That's the closure of that day here. And why this here ended up here, I have no clue. It should be more aligned with the finishing of the day. I assume I didn't want to have those two locations here too close to each other. But it's just an assumption. I don't know anymore. So anyhow, from an location perspective, not perfect. Looking at the trades I did on the 8th of December, as usual with my scalping, I'm not really concerned about those locations. I should be more, I know, but I too often get a bit dragged away in the moment. That's still a lot of things to learn from me from a psychological perspective. A bit more discipline, a bit more patience, my good old issues. Looking at the overall result of that day, I ended up with minus 67 ticks. I only traded the S&P 500, the ES market, and those minus 67 ticks are distributed over the demo account, which is minus 17 ticks, evaluation account minus 4 ticks, and the funded account minus 80 ticks, 80 ticks. So I lost on the more important things, and hence that day wasn't really my day. That's about 10 days or 2 weeks before that I was profitable every day. However, those days are happening. It's not always going to be up, but quite a lot of learnings. So let's finish that one here, and wishing everybody a good trading day. See you at the trading floor.